Positive pay system is an idea proposed by the Reserve Bank of India to minimize check-based frauds. Indian banking system has witnessed many frauds committed by tampering the details in check like name and amount. RBI has directed banks to implement the positive pay system for checks of rupees 50,000 and more effective from 1st January 2021. Let's examine how a clearing system works. In a clearing system, a payee issues a check to a beneficiary. The beneficiary's bank collects the amount from payee's bank on behalf of the beneficiary. If both payee and beneficiary are maintaining accounts in the same bank, fund is transferred between two accounts without routing the check through the clearing system. Clearing system comes into picture only if the accounts are maintained with two different banks. The parties involved in a clearing process are issuer of the check, issuer's bank, beneficiary, beneficiary's bank, and clearing system. NPCI or National Payment Corporation is an umbrella organization acting as the backbone of digital banking in India. CTS system or check truncation system introduced by NPCI has revolutionized the banking clearing process in India. In CTS, the image of the check is transferred from one bank to another instead of physical movement of checks. All other underlying concepts are remaining the same. Now, let's come to the working of a positive pay system. An issuer writes a check and passes the check to the beneficiary, who may be a service provider or supplier to the writer of the check. Simultaneously, the issuer passes the critical information of the check like beneficiary's name, amount, check number, date of checks to the bank. This can be through SMS, net banking, mobile banking, or through a link enabled in the website of the bank. The system for this purpose is being developed by NPCI for the banks. The details received from the customer through the system is passed on to the database of the positive pay system on a real-time basis by the bank. The beneficiary deposits the check in his account with his bank. The bank sends the image of the check for CTS clearing by scanning the image. On getting the check details uploaded in the CTS clearing system, the CTS system compares the data presented by the collection bank against the data fed into the database of positive pay system earlier by the issuer's bank. If no discrepancies are noted, the check undergoes clearing process and fund is credited to beneficiary's account. If any mismatches are noted, CTS system alerts both issuer's bank and beneficiary's bank for remedial measures and prevention of fraud. Positive pay system is not mandatory as far as customer is concerned, but opting for the same by the customer will enable him to safeguard against frauds. Though lower cutoff limit specified by RBI is 50,000, banks are likely to further lower the limit to bring maximum instruments under the ambit of positive pay system. Further, to persuade customers to opt for the positive pay, RBI has announced that grievance redressal mechanism will be available only for checks complying with the positive pay. Considering the benefits that positive pay system is offering to prevent frauds, Celebrate Banking recommends our customers to opt for positive pay system to minimize check-based frauds. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. We invite you to visit our website celebratebanking.com for authentic information on banking and investment. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.